Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the touchpad not working on a Windows 11 laptop. Let's go start. We are checking the first touchpad settings, so go to the Start icon in Windows. Click on Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices under left side menu. Scroll down and searching here Touchpad. Click on Touchpad. Toggle on. Ensure the touchpad toggle is switched to on. Some laptops have a function key combination to enable/disable the touchpad, like FN plus F9 or FN plus FN lock. Press the Windows key and type in the system information, and click on System Information and find the system model. Close window and open any browser in your computer. Type your driver system model name in your opening browser search bar. Click the top result to open the console. Scroll down and identify and select operating system and version. Now click Submit. Scroll down and find your driver keyboard, mouse, and input devices. Now select and downloading Touchpad Filter driver. Ask me download and install Assistant. I confirm is no thanks. Open download file. Double-click on driver file. Click Next. Click Next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. And click Next. Completed installation and close the window. Now restart your PC. Press the Windows key and type in the settings, and click on Settings into the search bar. Click on Windows Update from the left navigation pane. Clicking Check Updates to find the option. Now download and install the driver on your computer. So wait for a few minutes. Close. Open Start. Search for Device Manager and click the top result to open the console. Here scroll down using an external mouse till you see the Human Interface Device options. Click on it and look for the Touchpad option. Select the touchpad and right-click on it. Once done, click on the Update Driver option from the drop-down list. Now click on Search automatically for drivers. Best drivers for your device are already installed. Close the window. Again, restart your PC. After restart your PC and check the touchpad status, I think your problem is solved successfully. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.